Stupa 1. If you can read, Stupa 1, 2nd century BC, consists of a plastered dome crowned by a triple umbrella within a railing and contains within its core the brick stupa of Asoka.
आउटसाइड जो हम लोग देख रहे हैं ये 2nd सेंचुरी बीसी का है, रेलिंग बाउंड्री एंड स्टोन।
Okay. The outsider of the wall, it is 2nd BC.
बीसी सुंगा डायनेस्टी।
Sunga, there was a dynasty called Sunga who built the second wall.
फोर गेट पे 1 बीसी सतवाना डायनेस्टी।
The 4 gates you seeing, it was made by the Satavahana dynasty.
और यही 4 गेट पे की बेस पर यूनेस्को ने 1989 में इसको वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज डिक्लेयर किया है।
After getting inspections of this site in 1980, UNESCO has declared this property as a UNESCO property.
और गेट पर पूरी बुद्धा की लाइफ को दिखाया जाता कि स्टोरी के रूप में।
And in the story, in all the 4 gates, you have seen the many sculptures which is told the life and life of the Lord Buddha and his teaching.
परंतु उस पर बुद्ध का कहीं स्टेचू देखने को कार्बिन में नहीं मिला।
But surprisingly, you will see there is no carvings of Lord Buddha.
ओनली सिंबॉलिक।
Only symbolic statues are there.
क्योंकि उस टाइम में 2 पीरियड था, हीनयाना एंड महायाना।
There was two kind of wings, Himgyan and Mahagyan at that time.
तो गेट जो हीनयान पीरियड का जब हमारा मूर्ति पूजा नहीं था।
At a certain period of time, the statue worship was not allowed. Himgyan.
इसलिए बुद्धा को बौद्धिक ट्री, स्तूपा एंड अम्ब्रेला के रूप में देखा है।
Okay. In Lord Buddhism also considered as a enlightenment. So it has no face, no figure. So we consider them as a tree. We consider them as a umbrella और दूसरा क्या बताया था?
स्तूपा
And stupas.
बुद्धा का पूरा लाइफ को गेट पे दिखाया गया है ना। और यही गेटों की बेच पर यूनेस अभी आरबीआई ने 200 की करेंसी पे स्तूपा को प्रिंट किया, यही डायरेक्शन।
On the basis of this its popularity, Indian government has make a new currency which has this stupa.
200 पर
200 currency, very rare currency.
यही गेट है जो हम लोग खड़े
Same gate, the gate we are standing right now.
हैं। तो क्यों किया जो थोड़ा बताना। 3rd बीसी से 1280, 3rd सेंचुरी बीसी से लेकर 1280 15 ईयर यहाँ बिग एजुकेशन सेंटर है बौद्धिज्म का।
कितने से 12 BC से?
3rd बीसी से 1280 तक।
Third BC से 3rd BC till 1280, it was a great institutions to teach Buddhism, practice Buddhism.
1280 से 1818 504 इसमें कवर्ड हो गया था। 1818 के इसको डिस्कवर किया कैप्टन मार्क टेलर ने 1818 में 1818 में।
1818, Captain Mark Taylor was hunting some animals. He came here. He thought that it is a temple with the gold.
अभी चल रही है 2018।
Captain Hunting was from which country?
British.
अभी कितना चल रहा है? 2018।
हाँ,
तो
2018.
इसीलिए 200 साल कंप्लीट हुए, इसको डिस्कवर हुआ 1818 में डिस्कवर किया, 2018 इसलिए 200 को नोट पे प्रिंट किया।
The discovery of this site was just completed 200 years old. 200 years. That's why the government of India he bring a currency to 200 rupees. Okay.
200 rupees.
So it was found 200 years before by Mark Taylor, who was a British captain.
इसीलिए 200 प्रिंट किया।
That's why it comes on 200 rupees currency.
ये मोनास्ट्री, रहने का रूम्स, हाउस, हॉस्टल, बोर्डिंग स्कूल 3rd बीसी का।
This hostel belongs to 3rd BC, which has people from the abroad who practice Buddhism. They came here and they learn Buddhism over here.
यहीं से अशोका सन एंड डॉटर महेंद्र संघमित्रा श्रीलंका गए धर्म प्रचार को।
From here, the son and daughter of King Ashoka, they went to the Sri Lanka to spread Buddhism, to teach about Buddhism.
ये रेन
I've
वाटर
seen a
हार्वेस्ट
poster.
सिस्टम।
This is the rainwater harvesting system, because it is very high. If you see that down, it's very hard if people want to live here and they can get water. So they make certain arrangement to get water all the time.
ये रूम काफी डाउन है, इसको के लिए इसको 2 और ये 3 दिखा दो, दोनों सेम पीरियड 2nd बीसी के।
हाँ, इधर भी एक स्तूप है.
दोनों काफी नीचे है।
There is another 2 stupas belongs to one down that side and another that one. But this is the main one we are here.
स्तूपा नंबर 2 में 10 टीचर का बॉडी का पार्ट जो टीचिंग यहाँ देते थे।
That stupa 10 over there, it has their buried part of their bodies, who 10 teachers who give teaching over here. about Buddhism.
ये बाकी जितने छोटे बड़े स्तूप है बौद्ध भिक्षु में साधु सन्यासी में समाधि है.
Okay. According to their degrees, the small stupas you are showing, according to their degrees, their height is built like that.
वो आपने पिलर दिखाए थे, वो
The pillars you seeing that direction, the straight one.
मीटिंग हॉल, कम्युनिकेशन हॉल है वो.
Convocation hall.
उसको वुडन का लकड़ी का छत का अगला डैमेज हो गया.
It was made of a wooden, but somebody burned it.
उसका आर्किटेक्चर जो है ग्रीक है, जैसे एथेंस में होते हैं.
That architecture belongs to Athens, Greece one.
ग्रीक इंडिया में एंट्री कैसे किया? अशोका ग्रैंड मदर हेलेना जो ग्रीक थी.
The Helena, mother of Ashoka. Grandmother. She was Greece. She was Greece.
That queen.
Her queen. Her mother was Greece.
ग्रैंड मदर ग्रीस. हेलेना. इसलिए वो आर्किटेक्चर
Helena, name of the queen. Greece queen. Yeah. Queen. She was queen. Husband name Mahendra Kumar.
चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य. चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य.
Chandragupta Maurya.
चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य फर्स्ट वाइफ हेलेना सेलुकस निकेटर डॉटर. सेलुकस निकेटर एलेक्जेंडर सिकंदर आर्मी चीफ ग्रीक. ओके
Yes or no?
Yes plus no.
Yes, cut the plus. Okay, let's चलिए. अब इनको जरा ये मूर्ति वाला. You see, these are the shadows of our life or ourselves. So you see all the pictures. Some is crying, some is sad, some is happy.
ये अपने हैंड पर बेड को उठाए हुए. वो तो उठा रहेगा, तो मुस्कुराए, अपना लाइफ शो करता है.
They are keeping their loads on their hands. Like if you are happy or you are sad or you are okay, you have to live this life because you born, you have to die.
आपको फैमिली का बेड उठाना है, रोको उठाओ तो आपको उठाना पड़ेगा.
You have to load, you have to work for your family, you have to work for your society, you have to work for your community. If you laugh, cry, smile, whatever.
इसको कहते हैं हैप्पी मैन लाफिंग बुद्धा.
In certain terms you have seen, you have heard laughing Buddhas or sad Buddhas. So this structure speaks about it.
नीचे वाला पैनल ये सब बुद्धा का ट्री ऊपर
The structure you seeing in the tree and elephants, it means saying that Lord Buddhas get indirect enlightenment over there. So they are offering.
मिडिल पैनल व्हील बना धर्म परिवर्तन. उसको अम्ब्रेला डैमेज हुआ. अम्ब्रेला में लेफ्ट राइट ईयर प्रेजेंट दिखाता है. प्लेस सारनाथ को, चक्र धर्म को, अम्ब्रेला बुद्ध को, तीनों को प्लस करें मीनिंग बनेगा बुद्ध को. फर्स्ट टीचिंग देते सारनाथ.
The first teachings of the Lord Buddha is taken in Sarnath. In Sarnath, they have umbrella signature over there, and the enlightenment Lord Buddha got in कहाँ पे मिला था उसको?
सारनाथ बनारस.
In the Banarasi, at the another town. So yeah, Banaras. You said right. Yes. So it is showing like this.
What does this sickness mean?
We are moving to the other side of this temple.
In every government papers, you have noticed these three pillars, three loins. If you go to your embassy, high commissions, everywhere, you will see this thing, these three loins, because it is taken from here. So every government paper, any government currency, you will see this
Passport,
SSC.
Yeah,
Visa.
Ah, sorry. I'm sorry.
और ये तो रिपीट कर दिया. फर्स्ट टीचिंग ये आपको समझा. ये तो मैंने बता दिया. ग्रीक वाला ये है ग्रीक वाला. वो नहीं, वो जो हम देखेंगे कर ली है. अब वो नॉर्थ पेज पे चल रहा है. नॉर्थ पेज पे है बारे में. नॉर्थ पेज इसी का पार्ट है. हां इसी का पार्ट. इधर अंदर जरा तो हमारे लोग भी मिले थे उनके साथ.
Uzbekistan. Sabrina. Kiribati.
What about this? 3 elephants.
And again I will describe. This is the name of this statue is Amrapali because she is dancing and she has a mango tree on the top. You see the green light. Okay, that's called mangoes.
गले में नेकलेस पहने हैं
She has necklace.
पैरों में रिंग पहने
She has a rings also in the legs.
दिखने में नेगेटिव लगी नेगेटिवली पॉजिटिव है कपड़े को पहने
I am telling you, wait. We are thinking that she has not wear anything, but she has a very thin clothes on her body.
कौन सा कपड़ा बांग्लादेश ढाका में बनता था मछली
Wait. The world best cotton made in Bangladesh, Dhaka. So that is very transparent, and she is wearing that clothes.
9-10 मीटर की साड़ी
10 meters sari, that called 10 meters.
जो महाराष्ट्र में पहनी जाती है
Now it is in Maharashtra also. चलो वहाँ दिखा था.
25th
हाँ?
December program.
दिखा दो महाराष्ट्र कल्चर साड़ी पीछे बांधी जाती है
So in Maharashtra, another province of India, Maharashtra, the sari used to put like this and they put like this. So you see the sari. Okay. So once you see it from the front, you will see something dirty. When you come here, you see the reality. She has a sari, 10 meter sari, but the quality of that sari is very supreme, and it came from Dhaka. Now it is in Bangladesh.
इसका हेयर स्टाइल दिखा दो हेयर स्टाइल चल रहा है लेजर कट कौन सा नया फैशन
You see that the hairstyle laser cut. It is also old. 2000 like year old haircut.
बस ये लो चलेंगे हम ग्रीक दिखाते हैं
Bangladesh. The sari she wear. The sari we cannot see from the front.
We continue our journey to another kind of the entrance of this temple.
When I say come, you just concentrate on the first picture on the top. Okay, and see it carefully. Then we'll start. Everybody seeing it? Let's start.
Elephant.
हेयर स्टाइल दिखाइए
Just see the sculptors and their hairstyle
ड्रेस
and their dresses and hairstyle.
म्यूजिक इंस्ट्रूमेंट
Music instrument you just see,
एंड लॉन्ग बूट
and long boots. You see the long boots. These people have long boots.
हाउ वो भी ग्रीक कौन सी चंद्र मौर्य की फर्स्ट वाइफ चंद्र मौर्य की फर्स्ट वाइफ
Because the Chandragupta Maurya, the king, he has a one wife from the Greece. So in old days, India has a good relationship with the Greece also. That's why the Greece people's pictures appear.
Your name is Helen?
हेलेना
Okay.
वैशाली में मंकी ने बुद्ध के हनी ऊपर की
Okay. In Vaishali, where Lord Buddha was getting lighted, monkey came and they offer honey to the Lord Buddha.
सेकंड पे मंकी डांस करने लगते हैं
And after accepting of that honey from the monkeys, they start dancing. That Lord Buddha accepted.
नीचे देखें ट्री में बुद्ध रिटर्न होते कपिल वस्तु पिता शुद्धोधन अपने बेटों को बुद्ध मानकर नमस्कार करते
The tree you see, tree means enlightenment. When the Lord Buddha came here and his father was a king, he understand that his sons become a saint or a holy person. They stand up and they offer their prayers to his son.
इसको राजा कैसे कहे क्योंकि उसका अम्ब्रेला है रोल फैमिली का अम्ब्रेला
It is recognized that he is a king. They have a umbrella on the top. In old days, nobody can keep umbrellas other than king. So that's why it's recognized as a king.
ये गेट कीपर
These are the gatekeepers.
गेट का नेम है तोरण तोड़ना मीन्स होता है वेलकम वेलकम गेट पे गेट को वेलकम कर फूल लोटस से हर गेट के टॉप पर
You see the main gate, there is always a gatekeeper over there, and to welcome at main gate, people have a lotus. So in the top gate, you will see the lotus. Not the other gate will have the same.
ये इंडिया में कल्चर प्रेजेंट टाइप की है
In present time of world India also, when people come, we give flowers like flowers.
अच्छा एक और दिखा दो भाई बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है कम ये दिखा दो बुद्धा टीचिंग दे रहे हैं कपिल वस्तु में और सभी लोग टीचिंग सुन रहे हैं परंतु पीछे बैठी पब्लिक ये आपस में बातें कर रही है डिस्टर्ब पैदा कर रहे हैं एडवेंचर पहले भी तो आज भी चलता रहेगा
In old days and till nowadays, in old days and till nowadays, when Lord Buddha, Buddhism, Buddha is recognized by the three ways, as a tree, as an umbrella, or as a... So you see, they are backbenchers. They are talking. They are talking and Lord Buddha is giving teaching to them. But these people are talking. What is the like?
They are trying, they can
ठीक है फ्री टाइम कर दो.
Then we return and also invite this one. This is what we call the culture. The historical heritage site for Indians. Mostly for watching. After visiting, we also enjoy some of the animals. Rokia, you are enjoying now with your rabbits. Enjoy.
And I also feel my dogs
You have dogs at home?
too.
Dogs eat rabbits.
No, I have dogs, no rabbit. Because
Houses, many places. They block the rivers. They make industry. So the river was sailing behind this.
Okay.
So it is finished. The pillar, when you say you seen there,
Uh-huh.
it came through here.
Okay.
They travel from that town.
Ah. This is history. Then after visit, we start enjoying the fresh air.